Got a little fellow at the bird bath here. I filled it this morning. It was low. And there was a dove that had been there a couple of times. Ooh, look at him go. Look at that go. Shake it, baby. They really take their bath with some gusto. This bird is going to have the cleanest tail feathers in Green Valley. There he goes. Got a Javelina down there. A couple of them. Oh, here comes another one. Oh, the whole group is here. I'm over at Heinz' house and we're just working on some landscape outside. Let me pause and see if they come on up. Here they are just watching us. This guy's gonna come out. There he is. They're all coming out. They're gonna probably get a drink of water. Here comes a couple more. There's another one. Thought there was one more. Maybe not. So there they go. Oh, there's one. He ran. Okay, now they're going to cross the driveway. Yep, there he is. He's going to hop the wall. See him out there? Another one's coming. They're just moving from wash to wash. There's one more. See him? There he goes. They're running. Anyway, that was cool to see him. Got a bunch of quail in the yard. There's a ton of them running around out here. Well, they're headed for the tree. That's crazy. Look how many are out there. Some make it into the tree, some don't. They're up here. See that guy still working on it? We've been doing a lot of work in the backyard, so we've dug up a lot of stuff, and maybe there's lots of new things for these quail to find. They look like they don't want to miss out on anything. So where one goes, everybody goes. Anyway, here they come. Look at them go. They're all right there. Maybe they're going to grab the rake and help me out a little bit. Oh, now they're all down out of the tree again. Anyway, that was kind of fun. Love it when they visit. Here's everybody again. Look at them all out here. It's a large family. One kind of leading, here they all go. A couple left here by the palm. There they go. Here they all are again. They're all going up on the fence now. See, they're up here on the fence. Oh, they've gone right behind the palm. I think they're down.